just barely doing anything. And that's a nice little added amount of money there. Now here's where I want you to learn from mistakes. You already know the sales process, what I should have been doing. This was done long before Viral Ebook Explosion. I didn't use an OTO at all. No one-time offer, no downsell. I should have been doing trial offers. They show up, they buy the monthly membership. I do have a discount on the monthly membership, but no exit ad, no trial offer, nothing like that at all. I mean, even an exit ad to collect names, nothing. Didn't even have bonuses in the download area. I'm telling you to put bonuses always in your download areas and rotate free gift pages and rotates ads and all that stuff. Did not even have any of that stuff. I just recently, a few months ago, added some bonus boxes in the download area, in the members area. And that's all I've done, nothing else. We've got a code that does a countdown, so it knows exactly how many memberships are available still, and it does a countdown. That in itself is pretty good. It works with scarcity, but I've never even tested it. And it also doesn't do a good job. When you get down to the bottom, you'll see the total number. I might have 20, 30 left. I don't even know. You've got the total number. Well, I should have that even at the top. It should be, this is a live countdown of how many memberships are still available. When it does get down to 0, it closes the site down. That's pretty cool. So when people do get there, it goes down to 0. If they buy the last one, it will close the site down. So it's a real countdown clock. But I'm not using it like it should be. And then even inside, I give my members 3,200 bonus articles. I don't even mention that on the sales page. If you're giving away like real bonuses, I'm not even mentioning it. So yeah, that's just some of the mistakes. Everyone done writing? Click. Oh, plus I don't even have an affiliate program. Shut up, Liz. That alone, I could quadruple my sales, no problem. Just have an affiliate program. That's on our list. I talked to you about our office having all these things we need to do. We've got a section, little piece of the paper, big projects, minor projects, or upsells need to be added, and then kind of traffic things. Well, that's one of the upsells, things to be tweaked. That's on our list. We'll get to it. We're going back and improving everything. What could be done? Well, turning it into that butterfly type site we just talked about. People come in, they buy, they instantly get the affiliate URL, but what I should be doing is giving away something. I bought a package of 110,000 articles. I can break those down, give away, 10,000 articles. They come in for free. They get 10,000 articles. The upsell could be the other 100,000 articles for a price. Then the next upsell could be the actual continuity. The only thing I'm selling now, monthly continuity, that could be the next upsell. I'd be creating a list. Instead of just a small buyer list, I could be creating a big, huge list. I could then take that site and plug it into all my other sites. I wouldn't even need affiliates. I could create I bet you I could crank this thing up to, 5,000 a month like that. No problem. So it's taken me 2.5 years to bring in 36,000. I could get that sucker up to making 5,000 no problem real quick without even advertising it to my list. Just plugging it into all these different areas that we've talked about that you guys are going to be using from now on. So I mentioned that it could be the monthly thing. The downsell could be a $1 trial. We didn't even talk about the downsell. We could do could do the articles instead of giving them 100,000 at $97. We could do 50,000 at $47. Could do a $1 trial for the monthly. The second OTO could be the articles, or you could switch them. I think I would rather, I'm not sure which way I'd go. I'm not even sure which way would work best, but that's something to test. Do the big group 100,000 articles first as the OTO, or the membership first, or reverse them. And just, tons of affiliates, pushing it, building my list, the JV partners, the people in our JV bonus group. There's so many mistakes on this site, I just want to puke. Selling stuff inside the members area. these people are coming in. They love articles. They need articles. Well, I could be selling them blogging things. I could be selling them programs to make their articles unique. I could be selling them tons of different things of what they're already needing or interested in. I could do a poll of my members. What else are you guys buying? What do you need? I could go to other owners and say, hey, give me a special link that gives me $20 off your product. I could put that on a page in there. I'm not doing any of that stuff. I've got all these people in there wanting PLR articles, and I'm not doing anything with them. Easily $100,000 lost on that. Easily. Yeah. You kind of kick yourself when you look back and go, 100,000, dang it. That could have been some fun Vegas trips. All right, we're going to keep going here. All right, here's the sales process. I'm just going to show you the sales process, not the complete launch. The complete launch is going to be coming either today or tomorrow. But this is $135,000 in 7 days, and it's going to bring an additional $950,000. Giving away that free product. This is Send Button Profits. As you can tell, I'm a firm believer of coming up with something good and giving it away for free. So that's what it was, a free plus shipping offer, and I'll get in details later, but that's all it was, a free plus shipping offer. First physical product. So far we've only had a couple snafus, people not getting the CD-ROM. What we did is we knew that there would be people not getting it or not getting it quick enough. Sometimes I've heard people doing a physical product, someone buys it, a day later they're complaining, where's my physical product? We didn't want to hear those stories. Or we didn't want things to get lost in the mail. People have been putting in the wrong addresses. I've seen wrong phone numbers. So we put it inside the members area. But ultimately, still a free product that we're shipping out. That's when we get their credit card. The first, on the credit card page, or on the original sales page, we mentioned that they're involved in a $47 continuity program. We tell them about it again on the credit card page. And then what we do is we have an additional little upsell checkbox for a second continuity. So the first one's $47. The next one is $19. We had, I'll tell you the conversion numbers later. But that thing, again, marketers told me about this. I would have never thought of this. Like add another little checkbox that quick for another continuity. That's going to mean some big numbers. Everyone should think about doing this. And it doesn't have to be a membership site. It could be just something else, an upgrade. There are a certain percent of your people, if you give them a couple options, they're going to pick the highest, best level all the time because that's just what they do. They want the best. It doesn't matter what. They're going to take it no matter what. If you don't offer it to them, you're losing money out because they would have bought it. The next OTO was $97. I had mentioned the 200 products. And the downsell was 100 products, $47. And then there is a third monthly. It was coaching Liz and I are doing. That is a monthly continuity. And we did, for people that were leaving, we did a downsell. And that was a trial, 14-day trial that cost $9.95 is all to get them in the door. Those numbers I will also share with you later, but I just want to show you kind of the system here. And then inside the site, we had another offer, and we offered this workshop. Now, we gave affiliates money on every single thing. And that was part of the reason why they wanted to advertise it. I talked about the importance of you can't just do a $27 product anymore. That's dead. So I'll be going through the exact numbers, the exact sales commissions, all that stuff later. But I just wanted you guys right now to start thinking the sales process. Okay, giving out a free product, how do you make money? Well, this is how you make money. It makes a huge difference. Here's some just sales process tips. You can easily double your sales instantly. Easily, easily, easily. I can say that, no question. You stick a couple of these upsells and downsells in there, you've doubled your money no matter what. Then it snowballs. I talked to you about how affiliates expect it now. Because you're doing this, affiliates are going to promote it more. You might get double the amount of affiliates, triple the amount of affiliates, just because you've done this correctly, the sales process. And they really do expect to be paid on multiple levels. It also allows you to do, because you have all this other extra money, you can pay affiliates more money at the beginning. That in itself, because you're paying them more, you get more affiliates, then you get more traffic, and they also keep pushing harder and harder because they're making more money. There's been some great products that I truly loved that just did not sell. People did not buy it. Well, I didn't keep on pushing it because I loved it. I would maybe send a second email and try to convince them or twist the email around where, okay, maybe I didn't really explain it correctly or I didn't do a hot button. Let's give them a second email. And maybe I'll explain a little better this time. But if that didn't work, I wouldn't try it again. I love the product. I'm not making any money. So if I see myself making a lot of money, I will push it harder. It proves that my people like it. So I'm going to keep on letting them know that this is a good product. All right, guys, that is it. The sales process seems confusing, seems hard. Don't worry about doing it all to start with. I just don't want you guys starting off selling a product and that's it. Be thinking when you're creating a product, be thinking of the original product, the upsells, the downsells. And maybe you don't build it out right away, but at least have it in your mind that it's something that's super important that you need to do. All right, anybody, any questions? Why don't we do that? Liz, could you run the mic around? No, you don't want to? I'll hit. Let's see, I don't know if anyone needs it.
What is a butterfly site?
The butterfly, it's just a membership script, and it was coined by Mike Filsame, that you're giving out something for free. So people then come in, they sign up for free, and then you can add in one-time offer pages, downsell pages. It also gives them their affiliate links right away. So that's just one example of a site. My guys make my own software script, but we kind of copy that process. So it's just a name of a type of membership script that does that. Free allows people to see one-time offers and get affiliate links.
A webmaster, or you recommend anybody?
I've got a team in the Ukraine. Most people will not give out their people's names. Mm-hmm. I went through the outsourcing process, how I found my main guy. Right. Yeah, most people will not give out their main guys because we've got them working full steam, as many hours as they can do. It would just be going to those outsourcing places, Elance, Rent-A-Coder, Guru.com, and finding someone and going through that process that I talked about yesterday.
Oh, yeah. But you won't recommend anybody?
No, I just have my own team that I hire full-time.
Yeah, well, I understand that, but I'm not asking for your team, but can you recommend somebody if you don't want to give your own team?
Oh, I don't even have anyone else.
Oh.
I mean, all I know is, I know Liz does a good job, but she would never give me his name. So yeah, we don't even, if we knew of someone, we would hire them.
Oh, okay. So
yeah, that's how it works out. Once you find someone good, you would hire them. So if I knew of someone, because I could use another programmer right now. And unfortunately, if I knew of someone, I would already have him hired.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, sorry, that's just.
No problem. I'll take care of it. Thank you.
Jeff, I wonder, it seems to me there are a possibility to look at this as possible to be put on different levels. I mean, what you're presenting here, I could say is the guru level of the sales process. And maybe all of us won't become gurus. But your, what is it called, monthly article site seems to me to be an example of a lower level of energy marketing process that also produce results at a slower level,
yes,
with less effort, and could still be tweaked. But so it seems to me that it is possible to say, okay, if you want to become a guru, do this if you have the resources and the motivation. If you want to just build up a steady stream of multiple streams of income, you can build these lots of sites